Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to change the aspect ratio of your CapCut video. This is an important editing technique that can help you customize your video for different platforms and devices. So let's dive into it and get started. Open up the CapCut app. Now you need to open the video that you want to edit in CapCut. You can either import a video from your phone gallery or capture a new one by using the CapCut built-in camera. I'll be choosing this video. I'm going to tap on Add. Now once you have your video in the editing timeline, on the bottom just slide to the right. Here select the ratio. And now by selecting this, you can see there are many options. The first one is the portrait, the second one is in the square, and the third one is the landscape video, and there are much more options according to the platform that you want to upload your video on. The first one is mainly used for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok, or any platform that uses a vertical video. The second one is the Instagram. This is mainly used in Instagram because it's a square one. The third one is the mainly used for the YouTube videos that you are watching right now. That is in the landscape. From here, select any aspect ratio that you want. I'll be choosing this one. And now after that, just tap on this tick icon and you are good to go. I'm going to play the video. You can see this was before and this was after. Now I'm going to add some overlay for the background. I'll choose this option and tap on Add Overlay and choose the same video. I'm going to tap on Add. This will be in my timeline. Now select the upper one and increase its size, so it will cover up the whole page. Again, I'm going to select this one, so it will fit around the edges. And here you go. Just go back. You'll see the overlay is added to this video. Now let's add some background effect to this one. By selecting this one, go to the effects panel. And here select the video effects. And then from here, search for the blur. Now let's choose this halo blur. You see the blur is added to the back of the video. Just tap on this tick icon and then increase its size all the way to the right. Now I'm going to play the video. You see now your video is converted from the landscape to the portrait, that is 16 by 9 from 9 by 16. You can add some more effects to it. Just go to the effects panel. Here select any of these filters that you want to add. This one is better. Just tap on this tick icon and you're good to go. Here if you want to add some text to this one, just use the text panel and tap on add text. Here on the above you can add some text. Use the font and the style to change its color. You can use this option to increase or decrease the size. I'm going to zoom out by using my two fingers. Now you see the text is added. Now let's select the text and add some animation to this one. You can tap on it to see the animation style. And once you're happy with this, just tap on this tick icon. And there you have it. Just go back and you're good to go. And now once you're happy with your video, it's time to export it and share it. You can use this option to increase or decrease the size of the video and check your resolution. You can also decrease the frame rate to have a better video animation and the frame rates to it. You can also increase the quad rate as well, but is also set to the recommended. Now let's start exporting this. And once you're happy with your video, just tap on this export icon. This will start exporting your video. Once your video is exported, you can share it directly from CapCut to any other social media platform such as Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter as well. And that's it for this tutorial on how to change the aspect ratio of your CapCut video. I hope this was helpful for you, and if you have any questions or comments regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.